Whether for health or body aesthetics, many people around the world seek to lose weight. And for these people, there are many alternatives that they can put into practice to achieve their goal. Among the methods that we can use, we find exercise routines and the consumption of natural drinks, as well as cosmetic surgeries. These methods are effective, but to see positive results, you need to be consistent. One method that attracts the most attention in general is that of natural drinks. If you need to lose weight, learn this recipe so you can prepare it whenever you want. Drink to lose weight naturally at home. Ingredients: weekly mineralized water, small fresh ginger root, honey. Instructions: first wash the ginger root, then crush it with the help of a mortar. Now, we put the water in a pot over a rapid fire. When the water boils, add the already crushed ginger root and let it boil for 15 minutes. Then the fire is turned off and we allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Then it is filtered and we place the remaining liquid in our cup and add a little honey to sweeten it.